Traverse City Autocross Day 2 is right now, and I'm late. It's like 10 after 8, and I wanted to get there at 7. Yesterday I got there at 7. Wanted to make Rob breakfast and be sort of a useful parent, so that's that. But yesterday was an absolute blast. There's fewer cars today, and the weather is supposed to be a little bit better, so hopefully I get some good runs in. Yesterday I finished ahead of middle of the pack. There were 60-something cars, and I think I finished 27th overall. I was slowest in my class. My class is STU, 2 super fast drivers in my class, so I'm not really bad because I am not that. And my car seems really big compared to like the other cars that I race against, so whatever. My car does not like the low tire pressure that I autocross on. I think I'm gonna increase the front pressure a bit because I have a ton of understeer, and maybe that'll help. Towards the end I was really figuring it out, and then in the last run I smoked the cones after the gate because I came in sideways. So there's that. But that was my fastest run of the day. It was like a 47 something. The 2 cars ahead of me in my class were like 45, so I was like I'm light years behind them. I don't think I'd be able to catch up. I just don't have the skill, but still an absolute blast, and I love autocross racing. Go do some more of it. Seeing people autocross CRXs, there's 2 CRXs and an EF here, and a EG, maybe a couple EGs actually, I can't remember. Makes me really want to put our car back together, so. That, I say that every year, like, it's on the list. Look at how sweet this thing looks though. I somehow scammed them into being able to do a practice run with the drone following. So pretty stoked. I don't know how it's gonna work, but Curtis, thank you. This is gonna be sweet.
Good, yeah. Bring it in tight then. There you go. That's very good.
Second run. We've had a few raindrops on the track, so that kind of sucks, but I don't know, it's not bad. Like, you can see there's a little bit.
You want a rider?
Hell yeah.
Foot to the floor, so all the way through here until just right. Yeah, good. Maybe a little early, but that's good. Gas. Slow down, slow down. I think you got it. But yeah, you got one cone, it's okay. More gas, there you go. Gas now. You were a little early, yeah. Could have got more out of that one. Tight, 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 in tight, in tight. There you go, perfect. Perfect. Go wide, keep going wide, keep the gas in it, there you go. Gas, 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 there you go.
Cut off 3 seconds.
Wow. You got 2-second penalty, but yeah, you're still faster, right?
That's right. This is third run, I think. My goal here is to not hit any cones. sliding everywhere. Damn it. .2 clean, so that's good. Whew. I think fourth. Would love to break 60.
88 ES, 1 Colin, copies.
Roger. I'm gonna bring a walkie-talkie and start calling in cones for the people in my class. They'll be like, he's not even on the course. Be like, well, he's still got 6 cones.
All right, go for it.
Almost lost the course there. Is going to be the one. Got to break into the 50s. Good?
Go ahead.
Thank you. I think I forgot to film in the end, but my last run was my fastest. I did a 59.7, so I met my goal, which was obviously to do a 59, and had an absolute blast. If you're ever in Traverse City or anywhere that there's a Fern Autocross, highly recommend it. Definitely do it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a nap.